Making small woodworking projects for fast cash can be an incredibly rewarding endeavor, both financially and personally. The world of woodworking offers a unique blend of creativity, skill, and entrepreneurship that allows individuals to transform their passion into profit. Engaging in small projects not only provides quick returns, but also fosters numerous benefits that can enhance both personal growth and financial stability. One of the primary advantages of focusing on small woodworking projects is the speed at which they can be completed. Unlike larger, more complex builds that require extensive time and effort, small projects often take only a few hours or days to finish. This quick turnaround allows woodworkers to produce multiple items in a short period, maximizing their potential for profit. The ability to generate income rapidly can be especially appealing for those looking to supplement their income or test the waters of entrepreneurship without a significant investment of time or resources. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of 100 small woodworking project ideas you can make for fast cash. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The accessibility of small woodworking projects is another significant benefit. Many of these projects require minimal materials and tools, making them easier for beginners to tackle. This accessibility lowers the barrier to entry for aspiring woodworkers, allowing more individuals to explore their creativity and develop their skills. By starting with small projects, beginners can build confidence while learning essential techniques without becoming overwhelmed. As their skills improve, they can gradually take on more challenging projects, creating a natural progression that fosters growth and development in the craft. Additionally, small woodworking projects often appeal to a wider audience. Items such as small decor pieces, kitchenware, toys, and gifts can attract various customers, from individuals looking for unique home accents to parents seeking handcrafted toys for their children. This broad market potential allows woodworkers to cater to diverse preferences and needs, increasing their chances of making sales. By understanding the target audience and tailoring projects accordingly, artisans can create items that resonate with customers, enhancing their marketability. Another benefit is the opportunity for creativity and experimentation. Small projects provide a platform for woodworkers to explore new techniques, designs, and materials without the pressure of committing to a large-scale build. This freedom encourages innovation and allows artisans to express their individuality. Trying out different finishes, patterns, or joinery methods can lead to unexpected discoveries and unique products that stand out in the market. This creative exploration not only enhances the artisan's skill set, but also fosters a sense of joy and satisfaction in the crafting process. Engaging in small woodworking projects can also serve as a therapeutic outlet. The act of working with one's hands can be immensely satisfying and calming, providing a break from the stresses of daily life. The focus required in woodworking encourages mindfulness, allowing individuals to immerse themselves in the present moment. This meditative quality can lead to reduced anxiety and improved mental well-being. For many, woodworking becomes a form of self-care, offering a productive and fulfilling way to unwind and recharge. Furthermore, making small woodworking projects can promote a sense of community and connection. Participating in local craft fairs, farmers markets, or online marketplaces allows artisans to engage with customers and fellow creators. These interactions can foster relationships and provide valuable feedback, enhancing the overall experience of woodworking. Sharing skills and techniques with others can lead to mentorship opportunities and collaborations, creating a supportive network that encourages growth and creativity. This sense of belonging can be particularly beneficial for individuals who may feel isolated in their craft. The financial aspect of making small woodworking projects cannot be overlooked. The ability to generate quick cash can provide a sense of security and stability. For those looking to supplement their income or transition to full-time woodworking, small projects offer a practical solution. By setting reasonable prices and creating a steady stream of products, artisans can establish a reliable income source. This financial flexibility allows woodworkers to invest in materials, tools, and marketing efforts, further expanding their business opportunities. Additionally, small woodworking projects can serve as an introduction to entrepreneurship. For individuals considering starting their own business, engaging in small projects provides valuable insights into the world of sales, marketing, and customer service. Entrepreneurs can learn how to price their products, manage inventory, and interact with customers, gaining skills that are essential for running a successful business. This hands-on experience can be invaluable for those looking to turn their passion for woodworking into a sustainable livelihood. The potential for passive income is another appealing aspect of small woodworking projects. Once artisans develop a popular product, they can create multiple units to sell, generating income with minimal ongoing effort. This scalability allows woodworkers to focus on creating new projects while maintaining a steady cash flow from previously established items. By diversifying their product offerings, artisans can create a portfolio of small projects that appeal to various customers, further enhancing their potential for financial success. Moreover, the satisfaction derived from making small woodworking projects extends beyond financial gain. Each completed piece represents a labor of love, showcasing the artisan's creativity and skill. This sense of accomplishment can boost self-esteem and foster a positive self-image. The joy of creating something beautiful and functional provides a unique fulfillment that transcends monetary rewards. This intrinsic satisfaction can enhance overall well-being and contribute to a more balanced and fulfilling life. As woodworkers engage in small projects, they also cultivate valuable skills that are applicable beyond the workshop. The process of designing, planning, and executing projects fosters critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. These skills are essential not only in woodworking, but also in various aspects of life and work. The discipline required to complete projects on time and to a high standard can translate into improved time management and organizational skills. As artisans navigate challenges and learn from mistakes, they develop resilience and adaptability, qualities that are valuable in any endeavor. Engaging in small woodworking projects can also foster a sense of pride in craftsmanship. The attention to detail and quality that goes into each piece reflects the artisan's dedication to their craft. This pride can lead to a greater appreciation for the artistry involved in woodworking, reinforcing the value of handmade items in a world dominated by mass production. By creating high-quality products, woodworkers contribute to a culture that values craftsmanship and authenticity, inspiring others to seek out and support handmade goods. Moreover, small woodworking projects can serve as a means of giving back to the community. Many artisans find fulfillment in creating items for charitable causes, such as toys for children in need or home decor for local organizations. This sense of contribution enhances the emotional rewards of woodworking, as artisans witness the positive impact their work can have on others. Engaging in community projects can also foster connections and create a sense of belonging, reinforcing the social benefits of woodworking. The versatility of small woodworking projects allows artisans to adapt to changing trends and consumer preferences. By staying attuned to market demands, woodworkers can create items that resonate with current customers. This adaptability can lead to increased sales and profitability as artisans respond to emerging trends and opportunities. The ability to pivot and explore new ideas keeps the craft fresh and exciting, encouraging continual growth and innovation. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked 100 small woodworking project ideas you can make for fast cash. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.